Hey guys, Chance Casey here with Chance Casey Real Estate Group, and today I just wanted to talk about the process of finding a realtor to help you when you're purchasing a property. So, the reason I wanted to talk about this is just to set the right expectations with our buyers, as well as if you're buying in another state, just kind of understanding how the process works and how it should be working, right? Most of our clients are going to get referred to us. So about 50% of our clients come from referrals. So usually it's a name and a number that comes from my past client that I give a call to, and we're going to go over stuff like motivation, time frame, make sure they haven't signed any agreements to work with any other agents, the criteria that they're looking for in a home, and get an idea of where they live now and when they're going to be in town, stuff like that. And then, of course, get them connected to a lender to get pre-qualified. So that would be like our first phone call, of course. But typically what we'll do right after that is a Zoom meeting. This is for us to set up your search based off of what you were qualified for, go over resales versus new builds / townhouses if you're even looking for those. And then, of course, go over broker documents. So like what it actually takes to hire an agent. Because as of August 1st, 2024, instead of just calling an agent and saying, hey, can you go show me this house? You do have to have a signed agreement to work with an agent. So nowadays, we do things a little bit differently. And we've kind of always done it this way, but we've always had like people hire us and then we go out and we actually find the home for them based off of their individual time frame. So on that call or that Zoom meeting, we typically will go over stuff like how long it takes to close a house, when your first payment on that house will be, and the differences between like how long it takes to close a resale or a new build. And then sometimes when people want a brand new house, how long it will take to actually close the brand new houses and the time frames for that. Sometimes they're 6 months, sometimes they're 12. It just depends on the builder. So we always go over that stuff with our client, just set the right expectations. And then of course, we'll schedule showings. So that is of course after talking about how much inspections are, when to get an inspection, how long you have to do your inspection period, and also your appraisals, how much those cost, when to get it done, how to make sure that you're saving money and not, spending money on this aimlessly in case you had to cancel during your inspection period. And then we talk about things like, how much to put for your earnest money on an offer, what a good offer looks like, what a good offer for you looks like compared to what the seller is going to be looking for. And then just going over the purchase contract and stuff in general. After that, we would pick the homes out. We'd actually go for showings and just take a look at everything. And then if you like a house, we'd go ahead and write an offer for you, do the inspections, get it all done in a timely manner, help you negotiate not only the offer, but also for the inspections. And then we would make sure that title and escrow is set up to verify that you get title insurance in the property and that the deed gets recorded in your name at the end of it. And then once you actually go to closing, we would make sure that you're set up for signing, that the things have been processed, whether it's your loan documents or your actual wiring of funds. And then we would, of course, meet you at the property to do a final walkthrough and get you the keys for it. And then from there, you close, you own it, you get the keys, and you get to move, which is not always the funnest part, but now you have a brand new house and it's a new chapter of your life. So get to look forward to that. So appreciate you guys listening to me on this. Just wanted to set the right expectations for how the process works when you're buying a home. Thank you so much. And stay tuned for the next video, which will be about what the selling side of things looks like. So have a good one. Bye.